Still skinny no matter how hard you train? Same small arms, same flat chest, same, bro, you need to eat more comments from literally everyone. And the worst part? You feel like you're trying. You go to the gym, you drink protein shakes, you even do that awkward mirror check after every workout. So why are you still skinny? Here's the truth. Most skinny guys are not hard gainers. They're just making the same mistakes again and again. First, you're not eating enough. And no, one big dinner does not count. Muscle needs calories every single day. If your body burns 2,500 calories and you eat 2,000, congratulations, you are training for absolutely nothing. You need a calorie surplus. More rice, more eggs, more chicken, more oats, more consistency. Not motivation, calories. Second, you train like entertainment, not progression. Random exercises every week won't build muscle. Your body grows when it gets stronger. That means more weight, more reps, better form. Stick to the basics. Squats, bench press, pull-ups, rows, deadlifts. These work for a reason. Stop chasing fancy workouts and start chasing strength. Third, you recover like trash. Sleeping 4 hours and scrolling all night, that's not discipline. That's self-sabotage. Muscle doesn't grow in the gym. It grows when you recover. Sleep more, recover better, grow faster. And finally, you quit too early. This is where most skinny guys lose. They train for 3 weeks, see no huge change, and give up. But muscle building is slow, very slow. It takes months, sometimes years. Not motivation, discipline. That's the difference. Bottom line, you're not skinny because of bad genetics. You're skinny because your system is broken. Eat more, lift heavier, sleep better, stay consistent.